I'm Kent McDonald and I work with Lafrentz Road Marking, managing the sales and distribution of Crafco products. Today we're on site south of Cremona, Alberta to repair centerline seams of the Crafco Mastic One. Unlike traditional asphalt repair methods, Mastic One completely waterproofs the repair area and adds additional support with 1/4 inch aggregate that comes as part of the mix design. In comparison to traditional repair methods, limited personnel and equipment are required, and repair areas can be open to live traffic within 15 to 20 minutes of application. Mastic One is applied with Crafco's Patcher 2 or Patcher 4 mastic melters. Crafco is the only company that manufactures both the sealants and the equipment to apply them. Lafrentz Road Marking is the sole authorized distributor for Crafco products in Alberta, Saskatchewan, Yukon, Northwest Territories, and Nunavut. For more information or pricing on products and equipment, contact me directly via phone or email.